These are some damn good belts. This is my second one. The first one lasted about 5 years before this all frayed and started falling apart. The old one had a lever action though. It was pretty straightforward. It just, you twisted that little lever and it twisted this release. This one, they came out with a little button idea. Well, the button rubs against this release, and the friction on the cheap stainless, it ended up wearing a groove into this little ramp inside of there, and it locked up. I ended up taking it apart, filing down that ramp and greasing it, and it's working again. But it shouldn't be doing that after 6 months. If you can find the one with the lever action, don't worry about this button idea. It's a failure.